So, I've been doing a lot of testing on the videos, checking out different settings and this, that, the other thing, different lighting configurations, and well, I don't have a whole lot of money to invest in that sort of thing. So, but I did have an idea, and I made it, and I think it's going to work out a lot better for getting better lighting on the subjects for my videos.
Sorry about that weird chirping noise in the audio. That's whenever I'm talking to the camera. I'm not sure where that's coming from. But anyways, here's the doohickey that I designed in Fusion 360. And then there's going to be a real short blink if you miss it time lapse of the 3D printer going. Still trying to figure out all the settings on that. And now we're off to soldering.
Alright, so take two. Now all the outside noise is done. It is the middle of the night. So let's see how well this works outside at night. There's the Cherokee.
Comanche.
There's the Chinook. The Nobo. The other Cherokee. Over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This will work out real good. Under here. Plenty of light. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That'll work good. I might revisit this later after I find maybe a variable resistor of some kind to put in line there to control it, make it brighter or dimmer. But for now, this will help me get light for the video. So that was my idea, to get better lighting with the GoPro, shooting on the GoPros. Thanks for watching. I'm getting a little bit better at making these things.